Hi, I'm Martin Sharp, Sales Manager at Maun Industries. We've been manufacturing high quality pliers here in Nottingham since 1944. During this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you some of the key feature benefits of our pliers and why they stand out from the rest. The Maun side cutter parallel plier is no ordinary cutting plier. It's built to outperform. With an integrated side cutter, a choice of serrated or smooth jaws, and a full length V-slot, it delivers a level of control and versatility standard pliers simply can't match. This is a tool designed for real work, from high tensile fencing wire to stripping and cutting cables. Maun parallel pliers deliver strength, precision and control without compromise. When competitors' conventional combination pliers lose their grip, the Maun V-notch jaw comes into its own. The 200mm version multiplies your hand force by up to 25 times, producing clean, precise cuts with minimal effort, even on tough materials. It grips and bends hard wire with absolute confidence, holding firm where conventional combination pliers would slip.